Telegram sometimes charges a small fee or asks for premium for SMS verification in certain countries due to high carrier costs and anti-spam measures. Here's how to fix it easily. Use mobile data. Try turning off Wi-Fi and instead turn on your mobile data. This should fix the issue for many people. If not, then you should close Telegram completely and clear RAM. Reopen the app and try requesting the code again. Many users report this bypasses the fee instantly. If you're already logged in somewhere, on your other logged in device, check the Telegram service notifications chat for the verification code. This avoids SMS entirely. Reinstall plus download an older stable APK version from a trusted source, Telegram official site or APK mirror. Disable Google Play, protect temporarily, install and try logging in. Other quick fixes: use Telegram X, alternative official app. Try a different network or VPN, change server location. Wait 10-30 minutes before retrying.